Good day mga ka-termo. Ngayon ang ating pag-aaralan is thermodynamic equilibrium and yung ating delta G or ang relationship ni delta G at saka ni K equilibrium. So from the module and from your previous chemistry classes, we know that your delta G, adjusting my mic, delta G is equal to negative RT ln KEQ. Now, yung equilibrium constant natin, pwede natin siyang i-express in terms of activity. But what is activity? Activity, this is what we call or what we can consider as the effective concentration of our substance. So depending on the nature of our substance or kung ano yung phase niya, we can approximate activity natin into different values. So first, if you have, let's say, our gases. If meron tayong gas, yung activity natin, activity for a gas, AI, where I is the gas, will just be equal to the fugacity of the gas over the fugacity at the standard state, Fi naught. Yung fugacity natin for most conventional gases at room temperature is just equal to the partial pressure. It's just be equal to the partial pressure Pi over yung standard pressure Pi naught. Usually, yung standard natin or yung reference pressure natin or reference fugacity natin, we just take that as 1. So, nangyari lang dyan, yung activity natin is just equal to yung ating partial pressure of I. Meanwhile, for condensed phase, pag condensed phase tayo, this is either yung solid or liquid, pure phases natin, yung activity natin, AI, will just be equal to 1. So, kunyari, meron kang water na liquid form, or meron kang iron na solid form, or oxide na solid, and yung solution, just equal to 1 activity. Lastly, we have yung ating solutions. So, if you have a solution, or a solute in a solution, or component in a solution, /component, yung kanyang activity, AI, will just be equal to its concentration. Or yung sa chem, ito yung kanyang notation. So, kunyari, we have 0.1 molar of Na plus ions, yung activity niya will be equal to 0.1. Now, let's say we have this equation, AA plus BB, or this reaction, to form CC plus DD. Yung ating equilibrium, KEQ, this will then be equal to products, yung activity ng products natin, activity of C raised to small c, activity of D raised to small d, over activity of our reactants, A, B, B, A raised to A. So, yeah. So, delta G is equal to negative RT ln KEQ, where KEQ is equal to AC, or yung products of reactants and activities natin. So, to appreciate this, let's try an example. So, as an example, let's take example 2 from your module. We're gonna calculate, of course, we always calculate in thermodynamics. We calculate for the equilibrium ratio of pH2 for pH2O, for the reaction or for the oxidation of chromium in water vapor at 1273 Kelvin. So the reaction is as follows. 4/3 Cr solid plus 2H2O gas. So yan yung reactant side. To form, sorry about that, 2/3 Cr2O3 solid, this is the oxide, plus yung residual na gas natin, 2H2O gas. And the delta G of this one is equal to negative 41,000 calories. Now, solving for this one, we use delta G is equal to negative RT ln KEQ. Delta G, negative 41,000, is equal to negative RT ln KEQ. KEQ. Yung KEQ natin, we can get this from here, from our equation. Ito, and dito. KEQ is products over reactants. Products natin is Cr2O3, pero solid siya. Solid, so 1 lang siya. Kahit ano man yung coefficient, 1 lang yan. Times, yung isa, H2 gas. Gas siya, you have partial pressure. Pressure of H2 raised to 2, kasi 2 yung coefficient niya. Over, tingnan natin yung reactants, chromium solid, 1 again, times H2O gas, PH2O squared. Kasi dalawa, raised to 2. Now, we make salpac this back here. Make salpac. Anyways, negative 41,000 is equal to negative, R natin is 8.314 joules per mole Kelvin. But remember, this is at calories, so we need to convert this to calories. Times 1 calorie over 4.184 joules. Temperature is 1,273 Kelvin. We have ln of, what is this? pH2 squared, pH2 over pH2O squared. Isolating yung ln natin dito, we have ln of pH2 over pH2O is equal to, raised squared is equal to 16.209, or ln of pH2 over pH2O is equal to 8.1045. And since we need yung ratio natin, H2 over H2O, we get just E raised to yung buo. We have pH2 over pH2O is equal to exponential of 8.1045 to 3,309. So yan yung magiging equilibrium ratio ni H2 and H2O. So hopefully nakuha nyo kung paano siya isolve, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye-bye!